Guess what just landed in my workspace? Meet the EPOMAKER Galaxy70, the keyboard that's basically a spaceship for your fingers. Why settle for ordinary typing when you can pilot a starship every day? Hold up. Check this out. It's a 60% layout, perfect for maximizing your desk space while still offering all the power moves you need. It's like Marie Kondo personally organized your keyboard. Now, imagine smashing those cherry MX blue switches. It's like the most satisfying symphony of clicks and clacks. And if you're into customization, swap those bad boys with hot-swappable switches to craft your personal masterpiece. Here's where it gets crazy. Program this beast with QMK firmware. Remap keys, create macros, light it up with any RGB combo. Who needs a disco ball when your desk is a light show? Plus, with Bluetooth 5.1, you can connect to all your devices like a tech wizard. Switch between typing emails and demolishing foes in-game with a flick of a switch. Why wait? Feel the power of the Galaxy70 by clicking the link in the description. Your fingers deserve the ride of a lifetime.